What you're looking at started as a couple dollars worth of toys. Same car, same starting point. Now I want to see how far I can push them. Oops. Each and every one of these lines is a reminder to us that this car was never meant to be unique and never meant to be noticed. Before the first coat of primer, it's important to remove all the debris and oils off of the casting. This is a simple trick, but it matters. I use poster putty and skewers so I never touch the part once paint starts. Up until this point, the twins are exactly the same. This is where they split. I love the look of these wheels, but that's only half of it. The tires are how these cars sit, so we need to make that right. A slightly thicker, sporty tire adds a great deal to the realism. Now to install, I take some masking tape into thin sheets and I stack two on top of each other. This is going to be used as our buffer, keeping the wheel an even space from the fender on all four corners of the car. Using super glue, I glued the axles into the hub of the wheel. Now it's time to join the axles and mount them into the car. This part has always bothered me. If one caliper sits higher than the other, you notice it. The only way I've been able to fix it consistently is by marking the axle before we glue the two sides together. And with this technique, both sides land exactly where they should. Now that the foundations are right, everything else can be built on top. Let's make some space for some new cool stuff to add in here. Now let's make something special. With the interior complete, we now prep for paint. 800 grit sandpaper will knock down all the little tiny imperfections in the first primer coat. I don't usually talk through every decision I make in these builds. If you're interested in the thinking behind them or want to say in future builds, that's what the memberships are for. You'll see a join button next to the subscribe button down below. That's where you can join. More on this at the end of the video. This is where it started. From an overlooked toy at the store to something more. actually used an automotive 2K clear. So it's a 2-part automotive clear coat, and the results were fantastic. The gloss on these is unbelievable. They look wet, like I've never got that kind of a finish before. So I wanted to kind of really tell a story with this, the light and the dark. There's some metaphor there, right? So whatever that means to you is kind of, I wanted it to feel it rather than me have to explain it. And that was kind of the path of this video, was to let you feel the build, feel the creativity, and experience it. I just launched my YouTube memberships. So you get loyalty badges, which I designed myself. And the coolest part about the membership loyalty badges is as you continue to hold on to your membership badge, the badge changes month after month. Sometimes it's like first month, second month, 6th month, a year, and it kind of goes on. Every milestone you hit, the car gets customized. So your badge changes and the car actually becomes customized. So for the supporter tier of member, you get access to the private chat room where we'll discuss builds, what's kind of coming every day. I'll have post updates on what the bench is looking like, what I'm working on. At the end of every video, the builder role, which is the second tier of members, will be listed at the end of the video. So you'll get kind of like an end credits role for all the supporters, because it'll really help support the channel, both levels of membership. And if you can't become a member right now, or you know, like money's tight and I know it's the holiday season, I don't want to push anybody, just join the Discord, go into the public chat room, we can hang out, comment on the video. I don't want this to feel like you can't be a part of this community, because everybody's a part of this community, and I truly believe that. So get active in the comments, join the public Discord, you can still hang out, we'll chop it up. But the builder tier, which is the second tier, the highest tier, will actually help plan the builds. So every week or so we'll have kind of like meetings where we'll kind of go over what is kind of on the horizon, what new builds, and people can drop in suggestions, you know, do this casting, or oh hey, I have this casting laying around, do you want to customize it? Like that's where that intimate conversation over future builds will be. And you can kind of think about it as having a seat in the designer kind of boardroom. So you're kind of going to have full access to all the ideas and thinking I'm doing of new videos for new builds, and you can put all your inputs in there. You know, sometimes it's up to 2 weeks before I drop a new build, because there's so much editing, there's so much video work, there's so much building that has to be done. Sometimes 2 weeks is the only, but I'm trying to really cut that down. And I want to pursue this as full-time and kind of do this with every spare minute of my day. So by joining either 2 membership tiers, you're really going to help support this vision, this dream, and then kind of be a part of it. So you'll be like a founder, a backer, if you will. Final thoughts. I will not forget quote of the video. Last video I forgot, and I got a couple comments. People are pretty upset with me. So, as they should be, you can't forget quote of the video. Pablo Picasso said, "Inspiration does exist, but it must find you working." If you take all of your mind and you put it into something, let's call that the work. So that could apply to just about anything. But if you really are that's kind of all you're thinking about lately, you're consumed in it, you're working in it, you're being a professional, you're problem solving, that's when you're going to start getting these creative ideas, these inspirations. So I really like that quote. That's going to be the quote for this video. I hope you like this format. I changed things up again. I don't want to keep things too samey. I'm always kind of experimenting. Obviously, it's always going to be 1/64 scale diecast. It's in my name. I'm stuck here. I ain't going nowhere. Hot Wheels till I die. That's just how it's going to go. But I think there's so much creativity you can take within that niche, and that's kind of my plan. So let me know what you guys thought about this format. A little bit of commentary, but some ASMR, and I'm just kind of letting the two kind of weave in and out. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Drop any comments. I read every comment. YouTube memberships, don't forget it. Sign up, be a part of the future builds of this channel, have your input. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Somebody tell me, drop the beat.